Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've recorded a video or done a tutorial. The past months I've been a little bit busy, I guess. But I'm back, and in today's video I'm actually going to do a unboxing of last month's, April's, Boxy Charm. And since of course it's springtime, it's the perfect time to do a little spring look. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And if you guys want to see how I go from this to this, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, comment, like, whatever you guys want to do. Just let me know if you guys like the video or not, please. Thank you. Okay, so this month's theme is, April's month was vacation. And one of the first things, I already did it off camera, but I did the South Main under eye gels. And it says, our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. And you put them on for 30 minutes. And honestly, it moisturized my under eyes really well. And it's still cool. Like, it's very refreshing. So let me see. It says to be, for best results, use them 3 days consecutively. So I still have 2 more packs. So we'll see after the 3 days how it goes. For the rest of the box, I'm actually going to go off camera and do my eyebrows, my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and highlight, because it's mostly, you know, for the eyes, blush, and that's pretty much it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my face, and now I'm ready to move on to the eyes. And today we're going to be playing with the Boxy Charm with Boxy Charm, and this is their beautiful palette. Oh, it still has a plastic. Hold please. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm so excited to play with this. And like I said, it's springtime, so I'm for sure gonna be using some pinkish tones. You know, I'll later do a video with this color, but that's in a later video. So I'm just gonna first focus on like the pinky, more springtime colors, if you'd say. And for this, I'm not gonna be going step by step. I'm just going to be showing you, and then of course pointing out which color is going first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And I almost forgot, we also received 3 brushes from the Vintage Cosmetics, and it doesn't say like the name of the brush, but it just says like step 1 for the money, so it's this one, and then step 2 for the shadow, which looks like this, and then step 3, go girl go. And I'll be using that for the eyeshadows today. Okay, so before I actually finish my eyes, I will be using the mascara that came in the March Boxy Charm. And it's called the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and it looks like it's from Butter London, and it looks like this. Well, if I can get it out. This, and so I'm going to finish off the lashes before I go on to blush. I'm not mad at the mascara actually. I like it. I mean, I'm not crazy about it either, but it works. And so the last and final thing on this, March's Boxy Charm is this Pretty Vulgar blush, and it is in the shade Hush Blush. And honestly, I am in love with this color because it's not super pink, because I don't like an extremely pink cheek. Like, I'm good. I like a more neutral, maybe peachy type of blush, and this is like a dirty rose type of blush, and I like it because it's not too very pigmented. Okay, so quickly off camera, I'm just going to highlight and put some lipstick on, so I'll be right back. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I really love the colors. The pigmentation on the shadows are really great. So just be careful, because it has fallout, not like a lot, but it does. Just be careful because a little bit literally does go a long way. The mascara, again, it's okay. It's not like I'm crazy about it, but it's good. The blush I really enjoyed. It's not too pink. I mean, in camera it kind of does look a little bit too pink, but in person it's not that pink like I thought it would. I thought it looked in camera. And what else? The brushes I really enjoyed. They're really good too. I really like them. I'm gonna be using them again just to get used to them, because I'm used to my certain brushes that I use. And yeah, I really liked it. And again, I'm gonna keep using the under eye little masks that they gave us. So yeah, guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel, and comment down below if you liked it. If you're not, what would you like to see me do next? And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Bye.